A rise in sea level is caused by the melting of ice sheets and glaciers and the expansion of water as it warms. Rising sea level causes a major threat for low-lying coastal regions in America. Cape Hatteras in the Outer Banks, North Carolina, is a national park that is projected to see very severe sea level rise by 2100. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration claims sea levels in this area are rising by 4.69 millimeters daily. This area is at a huge threat to increased sea level rise because it is a coastal community in the eastern U.S. where sea level is rising dramatically. The Outer Banks, including Cape Hatteras, is a huge tourist location for people all over the country. Last year, the local economy benefited $259.4 million with 3,000 jobs created for locals. If the area is overrun by flooding from sea level rise, the tourism industry will disappear along with the disappearing oceans. While sea level rise is a global concern and actions taken in Cape Hatteras and the Outer Banks cannot save the entire planet from inevitable doom, there are some natural precautions and safety measures taken in this area. These include protecting and restoring area salt marshes. This will help act as buffers and act as restoring oyster reefs to act as breakwaters. Sea level rise will be destructive to Cape Hatteras, so the whole world needs to work together to slow sea level rise.